Tired of kitchen clutter and endless cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to revolutionize your meals. This incredible 9-in-1 pressure cooker replaces so many appliances. A pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, food warmer, sterilizer, and even a sous vide. Imagine saving counter space and cooking delicious, healthy meals faster than ever before. With 15 one-touch customizable programs, from soup to cake, preparing dinner is incredibly simple, even for beginners. This smart cooker truly takes the guesswork out of meal prep, ensuring perfect results every time. And for durability and peace of mind, it features a premium food-grade stainless steel inner pot, making cleanup a breeze and ensuring your food is always safe. What sets the Duo Plus apart is its unmatched versatility and reliability. If you're looking for the best kitchen appliance upgrade, check the Amazon link below. If you're wondering which Instant Pot to buy, the Duo Plus offers the perfect balance of features and value for any home cook. Don't miss out on transforming your kitchen. Find pricing and more details through our link in the description. For efficiency, versatility, and delicious cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is definitely our top recommendation for 2025.